Since we got some more people recruited, we need to destroy the birds.
Hey, I'm Nigel, and I can probably do something to them. I can carry them, probably.
I don't give a shit.
I can carry Mustache. And I can drop them real down low. I can
Do it then. Do it.
Okay.
Pretty impressive. Now someone go clean that up.
Okay. No, Anthony. Okay, I'll go clean it up, I guess.
So, we're gonna have to think of a plan to destroy the birds.
Hey, King Pig.
What?
Why don't we just do this? Why don't we just capture the birds and put them in lava?
Because there is no lava and we can't do that.
We can probably,
Shut up!
Fuck you.
So really we're gonna go ahead and destroy the birds and hold on, I have something to say as a speech. What did it for me? You choose stutter.
Oh, my hair, thank you. Oh, fuck. You're dead.
Shut up, Nigel.
Fly to the end of the world.
Well, anyways, we're just gonna have to, like...
I think I got a plan. We disguise ourselves as birds.
Hold on. Me and my son are gonna go to the park, and this better be... This is the guard. You better be you better clean this room when I come back. Come on, son. Let's go.
What do you get to the car? I want to sit on the bench too.
Shut the hell up.
You.
Well, I guess King Pig said we're in charge. Stutter is in charge. Why? I don't know. Well, alright. I'm in charge. Am I really in charge?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, since I'm in charge, I give everybody 15 slaps.
I'll freaking fly to Rio and never return you.
Do I need to, like, do something to you?
And Rio freaking volcano. That is it. I'm biting you. I'm biting you.
Okay. Well, I guess I'm in charge again. Wait, no, I'm in charge.
No, I'm in charge, I think I should be.
No. Where's all the argument I can hear from outside from my car?
Nothing. The pig started.
Come back here. I'm stuck. Get me.
Here's our food. Here's our food we found.
Hey, what exactly am I doing here?
We're gonna eat you.
Well, I want to shut around for dinner. Stutter, can you make this food? Of course.
And it better be good. If it's not, you'll be fucked up. If it don't be good, you'll get fucked up. Badly. Why do we have to join the pigs? Hey, know what I'm thinking? After we win, we should have some breakfast.
Actually, I pretty much screw you. We're not good. Fine, we'll have some. We're having breakfast. Stutter, get over here. Come in.
Oh, I'm hungry.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I'm hungry.
Okay, let me just get in. Let me just.
I'm hungry.
Okay, so, shut up! I'm talking. Okay, so I'm gonna go prepare breakfast. I'll tell you when it's
Don't
ready.
make me wake up your dad, because I'll freaking wake up your dad.
I'll tell you when it's ready.
What?
I'll tell you when breakfast is ready.
That's gay. I can just fly to the breakfast and give it to everyone. 1 second.
Too bad I'm the chef here.
Shut, faggot. Wait. Chef Pee-Pee's the chef.
Well, he's...
Don't make me tell your dad, because I'll freaking tell your dad. I'll tell your dad and I'll freaking hit you for 1,000 years.
No, okay.
Without
No.
food and breakfast.
Oh, shut up, Nigel. For real. Come on, Nigel. Shut up.
Shut, faggot.
Okay, now I'm gonna prepare. Watch, I need a secret ingredient. I'll just get you. Alright, everybody, I came back with some breakfast. Puh.
I'm getting a high score at your
Come to eat breakfast.
I'm having a high score of this video game. Apologies.
Could I try?
No!
You made me drop the camera. No video games. No video games.
You can fly. I tried.
Everyone just eat the stuff I made for them.
Turn!
You know what? I don't think we're ever gonna have that then. Forget about it. We'll just...
Here's the bombs.
One of the pigs go